When I have started with the team, it was really difficult for me. So because riding a normal bike is very different from being a part of an adventurous team. Because the people here they do stunts. So you don't have to hold your bike with your hand. You have to hold your bike with your leg. So initially they have taught me how to start a bike, how to because now these bikes are not push button bikes. They have taught me how to. The team has taught me how to start the bike. Then
It's a kickstart.
yeah, it is a kickstart. It is a kick. All the 34 bullets right now we are having. Every all the bullets are kickstart. So after that, when you have to leave your hand, you really you cannot believe that you can leave your hand and ride the bike. But right now I'm standing on the bullet and then I'm riding the bike. So it is a long journey, I can say. So it has become difficult, but right now it is very easy for me and very convenient to ride a bike standing on the bullet and driving. I think I can ride for 3-4 kilometers standing on the bullet. They have taken like tests and all because they have made ditches and all. तो उसमें से cross कराना. They have made sand tracks. In sand tracks you have to ride the bikes. You have to see that how the person is confident to travel in the sand track, to jump from a pit, from a ditch and all. So that they have tested.
And now in this parade,
Yeah.
the upcoming parade, what will be your role?
So here right now, as I'll be the team 2IC, so I am in the end because in the end with the closing salute, I am leading the pyramid. Which we can see behind me. End thing it will be is pyramid. So I'll be with the closing salute and leading the pyramid. You can say.
How many members are part of this pyramid?
Pyramid we have 9 bikes and 33 other ranks.
How long did it take for you to perform, be able to master this stunt that you're gonna do?
It has approximately taken me like 2 months, you can say.
2 months.
Particularly this stunt, because more stunts we have learned, other stunts also I have learned. The more difficult stunts are there, like the fire jumping from a fire. There's a hole of fire. From that you have to jump. So that again I think later on I'll be learning, and hope so I'll be part of the team in future for 2 years. Then I learn more stunts and all. You'll be able to see more things, right?
What would you have to say about being the first woman as part of this team and two other women out there?
Because you can see that the nation is accepting women and girls in everything. Because right now you can say the girls are riding, the officers of the Air Force are there riding the fighter planes. They have become the fighter pilots. So everyone is accepting, and you can see that हो सकता है sometimes we'll be having the permanent commission and we'll be come in the combat role, because it is not difficult. जो male officers कर सकते हैं, in physically we are little bit different, but yes, if you give a particular task and the thing, everyone can perform that.